Welcome back to Chrome Culture, and today we're going to revisit the 2023 Lethbridge Swap Meet in Lethbridge, Alberta. The setup of the Lethbridge Swap Meet for February 2023. So in a few minutes we'll be walking around and just taking a look. Not all the vendors are here yet or are set up. So that's kind of the interesting part, the behind the scenes of the swap meet, because there is a lot of work that a lot of people don't actually get to see. And here is my booth. You know, we got some vintage records, a lot of the stuff from the 70s, 80s, maybe a little bit of the 60s. Got some nice lead ingots. They're about a pound, 4 ounces each, and I'm selling them for $5 a piece. They're great for people that cast their own bullets or like to do body work the old-fashioned way. And then we've got a large selection of auto repair manuals. A lot of car guys like those things. I'm going to be doing a really good deal on them this week because I just want to get rid of them. Got enough. The main W photos, there's all kinds here. You know, the stuff that used to hang in the restaurants. Some die-cast cars. Got some more die-cast over here. You know, there's a nice Tonka. Really good shape. Old Alberta license plates, some old tools, you know, Dreamers, awesome stuff. Old Texaco, memorabilia, mostly Canadian there. And Petrocan, that's not that old, but it's still kind of cool. If you're a Petro-Canada collector, then there's a brand new starter I got there. Lots of hubcaps. Flex fans, sort of a retro tool thing. And then here's some more hubcaps and mirrors. And then we've got some old gas cans. So if anybody's interested in any of that stuff, just comment in the comments below. And if I still have it, I'll be more than happy to send it to you. Oh, and here we go, some old school Chevy hubcaps, old school 283 valve covers, original stuff. You're never going to find that stuff again. And then we've got a brand new clutch with a 3-speed tranny, $50 for all 3 pieces. What a deal. 3-quarter rod, really good shape. And then we got, you know, old Yamaha dirt bike gas tank. Here's some pictures. Pennsylvania Railroad. More train stuff. Some GM stuff. I bet you a lot of people didn't know GM made trains at one time. Then there's the vintage Vixens. They're here every year. They sell vintage clothing and stuff. There's always something cool to find here. Old snowmobile suits and stuff. A lot of rockabilly. These ladies really have good taste in clothing. Well, there's some cool old stuff. Some nice decor.
How are you?
Pretty good, you?
Pretty good.
Some really cool collectible memorabilia. Even some home decor. And then there's the retro repop stuff. There's always a lot of that as well. Here's Jurassic Plasma. They do a lot of CNC metal plasma cutting stuff. They got a lot of cool stuff. A lot of cool old car stuff, you know. So you'll have to make sure to get a hold of Don if you need anything cool. Here's some more of his stuff. And then we have Torque Brothers. They have a lot of cool stuff, a lot of cool t-shirts. They have an online presence. I'll be putting a link in the description below so you can check out his stuff, maybe buy some stuff online. I know he can always use some sales. And he has some truly unique stuff. It's all his own designs, and you really need to check them out. So I'm trying my best not to get anybody's faces into the video. So I apologize if I keep on shutting it on and shutting it off. I just want to respect people's privacy. Some cool old bikes. No, that's some nice junk. Look at that. So it's old. The Lethbridge Swap Meet's always the second week in February, and you really need to come down and take a look. There is a lot of cool and unique items. Hard to find stuff, you know. This place just always amazes me. Then there's this booth here. Old thermometers, oil cans. Some really cool stuff. Look at that. Oh, really cool chess set. Some toys. White Horse Scotch whiskey. Some old knives. Oh, maybe a good idea is for you guys comment down below and tell me what was your favorite thing that you've seen. Well, I shot this video. Old train lanterns. Accordions even. Cool old advertising master lock. Old lamps. Telephones. Now look at the big ass speakers. Those are huge. A cool guitar. Here's another booth, a lot of die-cast toys, license plates again. There's really something for everybody here. Look at all the cool die-cast. Cool signs. Cast iron. Cast iron is very popular. Old Coke phone. Some Budweiser stuff. Green Tonka. Wow, that's in really good condition. Hello. Old bicycles. There's a cool old Yamaha and Gero kind of bike. Lots of model kits. Yeah, they're even selling old swivel bucket seats. And all those redone make a real difference to a car. It's a 61 Impala. Just in beautiful condition. Really, really nice car. Nice two-door. Beautiful condition. Here's an old cool BSA, 1968. I don't know much about bikes, but I think it's pretty cool. Here's a nice old Javelin. It was actually not this car, but my first car was a Javelin. Really nice shape again, like, and it's up for sale. So, like I say, there's something for everybody. Lots of parts, lots of decor, a lot of cool old shit. Brass lamps. Look at this cool old light. This thing is humongous. More signage, ton of signage. Good old pedal cars, train cars, just all the old toys. That's really cool. Lethbridge Swap Meet. It's the social event of the year for this community. We're just a small community, about 100,000 people.
Shut up, eh?
Oh, look at this old grill.
How's it going?
Pretty good. Now that's really cool. Now that's some nice junk. For sure. Who wouldn't want that in their living room? Well, probably my wife, but car under construction, advertising their businesses. That's really cool. This guy's from Medicine Hat, which is the next bigger town to us. More stuff. Paint guns, compressors. Steering wheels, motors, old flathead Ford. That's really cool. I think it's a Ford. I don't know a lot about Fords, so It's really cool.
Totally different. Yeah. 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 Yeah, I know I've done some of that there. Like I say, once I've done my 55, all that stuff.
Look at that. That's cool. Metal card hat. Everybody needs one of those. Again, lots of model kits. Lots of nice vintage stuff. Very, very cool. Buddy Altoids. Lethbridge Brewery stuff. Some cool old signs. Lots of old signs. And big ones. This stuff is legit. That'll conclude another episode. Have a great day. Bye.